This is Brian back with a XRP token update here. I had to get this video out because this thing is just popping off this morning. With the last couple hours, this thing has really taken off. We're up almost we're up 21.5% for the day, which is an 8-cent gain since this morning. I don't know what's going on here, if somebody knows something we don't, but I got a couple articles here for you, really interesting articles that might give us a little bit of insight. Number one is XRP whales anticipate a favorable outcome in the Ripple versus the SEC lawsuit. See what they are doing. XRP whale numbers have grown as large investors stockpile 420 million tokens. The largest investors presumably anticipate a favorable outcome in the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit. On-chain metrics from Sentiment show 50 new whale addresses on the XRP ledger holding 10 to 100 million XRP. 50 new whale addresses holding 10 to 100 million XRP. Wow. More whales are signing up to the XRP ledger during a time when investors have doubled down on XRP accumulation. The uptick indicates that large investors anticipate a positive ruling from the legal tussle between Ripple and the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. And yeah, I could definitely see that. I mean, even if this thing would, which I don't think it's gonna, but even if it would turn out the other way, these big guys that jump in like this, if they hit a sell order for, if it goes the other way, like I said, and they have to get rid of this stuff, I'm sure they could do that pretty fast. But 50, that just blows my mind. 50 new whale addresses holding 10 to 100 million. But anyway, 50 new whale addresses have joined the XRP ledger over the past month. So this has happened over the last month. 50 new whales holding 10 to 100 million XRP. So it said, here's a tweet from this guy, Ali. He breaks it down here. These large investors have purchased over 420 million XRP worth $155 million. That's what I'm saying. Maybe somebody knows something we do not. Says what Ripple holders can expect next week as XRP price coils up for explosive move to this level. And I'm going to show you that wedge it's been forming on there that it's busted out of. But notably, institutional cryptocurrency investors have been raising their bets on crypto investment products, focusing on the ones offering them exposure to Solana and Ripple XRP. This comes amid the crypto assets recording massive outflows. Only recently, investment products with exposure to Solana recorded inflows of $400,000, while those with exposure to XRP saw inflows worth $300,000. Notably, Polygon also witnessed inflows totaling $100,000 during a week where crypto products recorded a striking $255 million net outflows. XRP has been bullish since Ripple's chief legal officer, Stuart Alderoty, broke down the latest ruling of the US SEC on its lawsuit against Ripple, underscored by Coinbase's CLO Paul Grewal on the largest exchange in the US relisting XRP. That would be huge. Would love to see them get back on Coinbase for sure. Recently, Judge Torres issued a 57-page ruling on the notions by either party, excluding expert testimony from summary judgment. This move reinvigorated Alderoty's confidence. Absolutely. I specifically, and this next article I have, a New York court is about to rule on the future of crypto. I was getting ahead of myself a little bit. I specifically remember when this happened, 3 days before Christmas in 2020. It was like waking up, or I should say staying in a bad nightmare. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission charged Ripple, a company based in San Francisco that provides infrastructure for cross-border payments, and two of its executives with conducting a $1.3 billion unregistered securities offering by selling a cryptocurrency XRP the same day Ripple announced it would fight. I remember that day just like it was yesterday. I really do. Says after more than 2 years of protracted legal conflict, all of the evidence has been heard, and there remains nothing left but for Judge Torres of New York to issue a verdict. Those with a stake in the outcome, which will reverberate throughout the crypto sector, have been attempting to divine when a judgment might land. Based on the judge's past ruling patterns, some believe a resolution is only days away. Wouldn't that be something? I'm not going to go down through the whole story here. It's pretty lengthy. If you want to go read it, it is on Wired, and pretty good article here. But it just came out a couple hours ago, this article. And like I said there, makes you really wonder what the heck somebody else might know. And if you appreciate updates like this, we're going to dig in the chart here a second, but please hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you here. Got a great group of people, and I love covering XRP. I know Blockchain Backer's the man when it comes to XRP, that is for sure. I love Blockchain Backer. Been watching him since he came out, and I'm sure he's going to have a pretty awesome video today on XRP. So, but if you appreciate, I cover 10 to 15 different altcoins. I try to hop around a little bit. Not everybody holds one altcoin. So, but here's the crypto bubbles. These are your coins that are up for the day. XRP is your biggest gainer out of the top 100 at 22%. The Fear and Greed Index is loading up here. I apologize. Let's see. The market cap is up 1.92% in the green today at $1,229 billion. Volume is up 47% over 24 hours. Wow. And Bitcoin dominance is only up 0.07% today. And we are at a 68 now in the greed for the market sentiment. Volume's up 47%. Holy cow. That's pretty big numbers there. Here's your biggest gainers, biggest losers for the day, and your trending coins. Biggest gainer there is XRP at the top. This is from Coinbase. And let's dig into this chart. This is on the daily here. You can see we broke out of this wedge we had going here, and the measured move for this thing would be up to the 56 cent area. Let's get a look here. Let's zoom in on this 4 hour. Look at these candles in this thing first. I want to show you this because really impressive. I mean, somebody knows something. That's what I'm thinking. I mean, come on. Right here at what, 8 a.m. this morning, this thing just started tearing. And, up until that moment, we were at that resistance level. Could be just a breakout of that wedge. It could be. I'm not saying it's not, but I think there's more to it than that. I honestly do. So let's put a Fibonacci on this thing first and see what could possibly be going on here. Let's see. Right at the 702. And that's that's 702. And once again, I love Blockchain Backer. I love the guy. Like I said, I've been watching him forever. He talks about this 702 area also. That's the big one, man. You want to get through that 702 and 786. And what isn't that something? That would line up with a Fibonacci extension if the measured move out of this wedge, which the measured move would be up towards 56 cents, it would line up with a Fibonacci extension there. So we'll whoops, sorry about that. I'm going to put that back up there. There we go. So I'm going to keep an eye on this thing the rest of the day. I'll get back to you guys later on this, but I just wanted to get a video out there and show you what's going on in the news and with the price, and keep you guys informed. So if you would, please hit that subscribe button. Would love to have you here every day. And like I said, I go over maybe 10 to 15 different altcoins. So I love covering a little bit of everything. So thank you so much for watching my video, guys. Have a fantastic day.